What's up guys, how you all doing? You know, it's been a while since I did a fun mail unboxing and I have accumulated quite a bit of boxes. There is a lot. So thank you so much for sending me off all your fun mail. So let's start with the first one right here. There is glass and it comes from shade tree. I already know what it is. It has to be sunglasses. Whoa, there's so many of them. I love shade tree sunglasses. They are wooden sunglasses and I think there is some for kitten as well. Kitten will be in the next fun mail unboxing once again. But boom, there you go. I love these sunglasses. They will fit me the best. Well, these ones are small. This is the kitten size. Oh, these ones are a little different. Those are circular. I like those. This is for the girls though. Let's see if there's any for me. Whoa, these ones are cool. This is a carbon, wooden and carbon sunglasses. They're slick. That's gotta be new. This is for me. This is much bigger. Check this out. Look how big it is. I have a big face and they fit me so well. They are so stylish. And at the same time, the best part about these sunglasses, they are wooden and these ones are carbon fiber or whatever it's called. They are so lightweight. Most of the sunglasses hurt my nose and I do not like sunglasses. These ones, thumbs up for me. Thank you so much, Shade Tree, for sending them over. They sent me quite a few of them and that's all I wear as a sunglasses. Shade Tree with their awesome cool logo right there. Okay, let's see what else we got here. This comes from David. He sent me, looks like a t-shirt and a letter. I'll read the letter later. Pizza time. There you go. That's awesome. Thank you. You know what? I'm gonna put it on. I should wear everything that you guys send me. I'm gonna put on the sunglasses as well. Let's see what else we got here. This comes from Benjamin, Minnesota, I think. What we got here? There's a letter inside of a letter. No way, he just sent me a whole bunch of CDs. You know, new laptops, they don't even use CDs. That is so funny. And it's his YouTube videos. So he downloaded his YouTube videos and I don't know, some music maybe onto his CDs. That is so funny. Thanks, Benjamin. Maybe I'll check it out if I have time. Okay, next. They said here, screw pop. Sounds like some kind of bottle opener. I love bottle openers, you already know. Especially the new kind. What is that? I have no idea. Oh, you know what? This is a key holder actually. Like you put the key organizer, I think. Maybe, maybe not. But anyways, I'll figure it out later. Okay, this one is from Amazon. Let's see who sent it to me, if there is any letter. You know what? I got another t-shirt. And it says, this is only plain t-shirt. I don't get it. But it does have that tool on it. I do like it. I'll put it on too. Now that you send me t-shirt, I have to wear everything you send me, guys. Sorry, I had to cover up the pizza time. Okay, next one. This one is handypeach.com. So this is some kind of product. Oh wow. This is looks like a gadget. Some kind of strap. Free sample. That's what they send it to me. That's cool. Oh, okay, this is for the water bottle, for like those 2-liter Coca-Cola straps, handles. That is funny. You know what? I'm gonna add on into my gadgets, put it into the kitchen gadgets. Okay, what else we got here? From Kentucky. Some kind of gadget as well. And this is looks like a Pest gadget. I don't know if I would put that to the test, but thanks anyway. I might use it in the garage or something. And it repels all of the mosquitoes and spiders, roaches and mice, which is, that's awesome. Mice here, a little bit of a problem. They are all over. This is come from Frank Kingo Toys. Look at that. This is a drone that you control with your hands. That is so cool. So he sent me a little letter where you can get it from. Thank you so much, Frank. I am going to try to learn how to use this in the future. Maybe make a second channel video with that. But we'll see. Alright, next. I have here a pretty box right here. And it says Fragile. It's from Jard Inn. So this is some kind of, I don't know, company sent it to me. Let's open it up and figure it out what it is. Oh wow, look at that. A cool little box with little things inside of them. Very cool logo. Check this out. Oh wow, there's a little compartment. What is this? Whoa, no way. Look at that watch. That is fancy. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Judd. This is their brand right here. So they pretty much sent me a new free watch. That's a pretty generous gift. So let's put it on. Since I said I'm gonna have to put everything on in this video. Boom. Wow, very nice. I love the wood. The buckle is very nice from both sides. Easy to put it on. Wow, what do you guys think? Thumbs up? I really like it. So I got wooden sunglasses and I got wooden watch. What else we got here? This is HideYouShop.com and it's a SwishKnife.com. So this has got to be some kind of knives. From a brand, obviously. Oh, nice. I love knives, and especially Swiss Army knives. Maybe that's like an appreciation gift because I have put to the test few Swiss Army knives on my second channel, on this channel. And this is nice. I really love the handle of it. Feels really good. I don't have this kind. Definitely keeping it around here. Never know when you need a Swiss Army knife. They have really nifty and nice tools. Whoa, very nice. Knife sharpening tool. I don't have this kind. Always need it. And one more gadget right here from Swiss Army Knives. Oh, wow. No way. Is this as a survival kit? No, this is like a knife with a fire striker. This is awesome. And a holder, one of these Garber. Pretty nice. I like that knife a lot. Thank you. Okay, what else we got here? It says eBay on the tape, so maybe it's some kind of product as well. Sounds like, oh no way, this is pashtet. Haha, this is nice. Yep, pashtet. Whoa, look at that mini blender. This is cool. And you actually spin it and it works, so it's like a toy. That's just funny. Oh, you know what? I think I know what it is. I think those are like the flame lanterns. Yep, I actually have a whole bunch of them already. They're pretty nice. Very nice, thank you. I'm gonna one day put them to the test. Okay, this one is from Omar. This has gotta be from the fan and from Texas. Okay, let's see what we got from Omar. Nice, Texas, their flag, that thing that you hang in a car or something. Mexican tea, looks like. A little boot, that is cool. Keychain. Don't mess with taxes. So just whole bunch of swag from Texas. Cinnamon stick from Mexico. And oh wow, this is cool. This is like ox keychain. I really love all this keychain. Thank you so much, Omar. Okay, let's see what else we got here. There's no name on this box. Susan Sleep Penguin. I bet Katin is going to love it. I wish she was doing the unboxing with me today. Well, maybe next time. I'm going to give it to her. Wow, this is like this white noise. Oh, there is a light too. It lights up. That is cool. 60, 30, 90 minutes. And there's different type of noises. There's a train. Japan. Ooh! I love Japanese stuff. Boom! Check this out. Such an awesome art. This is Luke, Hugo, and Gus. Look how cute the note is in the back. So beautiful. Quick, look how much candy there is and snacks. There's potato chips and it's all Japanese. And this is awesome. Thank you so much. There's so many snacks. And what is this? Is this stamps? Let me know in the comments below. Is this stamps? Because if it is, Catherine is gonna be amazed. It's gonna make her day. She loves stamps. Lawn body towel, man. Ooh, there is a swag from Japan. All this little gadget stuff. That is so awesome. Okay, next box. This is Russian stuff. Well, Soviet Union stuff looks like. And he built it himself. This is Soviet Union buttons. Thank you so much. I really love those. There's a star and hammer and sickle. And there's a Soviet Union одна копейка. Set of coin 1987 and no 10 копеек 1989. This is Soviet Union coins. I remember those. Yep, I lived in Soviet Union for a little bit there. Whoa, no way. Oh my gosh. This is a whole set of Soviet Union, Russia, and all these different type of coins. This is awesome. Check this out. I love the design. It's put away so well. Wow. Man, that brings up memories. And there is a Lenin right here. This is so sick. There is some newer ones. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. What else is there? Whoa! No way, guys. Check this out. This is so amazing. I am so going to display it out here in the studio. This is whole bunch of different type of pins from Soviet Union, and there's a lot of them is Lenin. That is so funny. This is one of my favorite like box I ever opened, for sure. That's such a cool stuff to have. Oh, no way. Check this out. This is probably the best fan mail unboxing. This one is a little bit too small on me. Okay, I gotta wear everything you guys send me. This is probably a last box for today because this is already a lot. This is the best fan mail unboxing for sure. Because the video is just gonna be way too long. No way. 5 рублей, and there is more pins. Lenin and Октябрята. Check this out. This is awesome pins. Set it carefully right here. Отличник гражданский обороны СССР. So this is a pin also right here. Wow. I used to have a whole bunch of pins from Soviet Union, but they got lost, so it's pretty awesome that now I have a whole bunch to remember, you know. Wow, I think there's more pins and stuff. I am so going to make a whole corner of all these pins and stuff like that. This is history, you know. Oh, no way, KGB. This is KGB pin right here. That is so cool. There is one of them. Yep, right here, KGB. And it's all of them are real pins. Check this out, there's Gorbachev over here too. I never seen that kind of pin before. I am definitely going to get an awesome display and set them in a studio. So many beautiful pictures. Thank you, Brandon. Thank you, Brandon, so much. This is so special to me. I appreciate it a lot. I got so excited about I got so excited with all this stuff, I forgot to close off the video. So thank you so much for all the fun mail. We're going to do it really soon again. We still have a lot of fun mail to open up. Don't worry about it, we haven't lost it yet. This video is just getting too long, and I think it's way more fun to do a fun mail with Catherine anyways. So give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.